Yellow jackets are the #1 emergency call in Boise right now. Look for a steady stream of wasps disappearing into a hole in the lawn or a gap in the wall. That is a hidden colony, not a nest you can see. Do not spray it. Bald-faced hornets build football-shaped gray paper balls hanging from cottonwoods along the Boise River. Foothills yards too. If it is bigger than a softball, back off. These hornets defend the nest from 30 feet away. Paper wasps build small open umbrella nests under south-facing eaves. Meridian and Nampa see the most of these. You can see the honeycomb cells from below. One queen, 10 to 30 workers. Least aggressive of the group, but they still sting. Mud daubers build clay tubes in garage corners and shed rafters. They almost never sting. They actually hunt black widows and stuff the paralyzed spiders into those tubes. Leave the mud daubers alone. They are working for you. European hornets are still rare in Idaho, but showing up more each summer. Large brownish nests in hollow trees, attics, and wall voids. Active at night, unlike every other wasp on this list. Porch light on? They will come. Rule of thumb for the Treasure Valley. Any nest larger than a golf ball, hidden in a wall, or built in the ground gets a professional. Call Green Guard at 208-297-7947. Same-day service in Boise, Meridian, Eagle, Nampa, and Kuna.